If you love luxury, but you want to feel like you are getting a really good deal, this £90 Lancome box might be the best deal I have found all year. The Lancome Beauty Box 2025 is beautifully presented, surprisingly generous, and today I'm unboxing everything so you can see if it's worth bringing home. The Lancome Beauty Box is sold out on the Lancome website, but fear not, there is still time to get it from the other stockists. Other stockists I've seen still stocking it are Boots, Look Fantastic and John Lewis. And for my money, it's worth every penny of the £90 that it costs. You need to spend £50 on other Lancome products to become eligible for buying the box at £90, but it's honestly really is worth the investment. If you like Lancome skincare and makeup, then it is worth every penny. Now, I waited this long to get the beauty box because I'd already unboxed the Lancome advent calendar, and I thought, maybe I've already got everything I need to try from the Lancome range in the advent calendar. But then I saw the Cafe Crush eye palette and I thought, I really wish I had the eye palette, and rather than spending just for that one item, it made perfect sense to get the beauty box where it is included, and I did not regret it. I've unboxed everything and I have done my makeup with the eye palette, and honestly, I'm glad I didn't miss out. If you want to see my unboxing and see me trying out the Cafe Crush eye palette, then please just stick around. I'm honestly blown away by the value in this Lancome beauty box. Let's take a quick look at the items. So in the top layer of the box, we have the Lancome mascara primer, we have the Lancome Hypnose mascara, we have a Lancome lipstick, which we're going to take a look at in a few moments. We have the Lancome Re-Energy, which is a HPN 300 peptide cream. This is a sample size, and this is the same one that I received in the Lancome advent calendar this year, and I have already been through that that whole tub. I was new to Lancome products this year, and the advent calendar was my kind of introduction to Lancome, and honestly I have been blown away. I've been through this whole cream already, so I'm delighted to see a refill appear. And I already have one of these, La Vie est Belle. Now the advent calendar came with, I think, maybe 4 different fragrances in various different sizes. But I have to say my absolute favourite was this one, the original La Vie est Belle. So I'm super stoked to see another bottle of that in the beauty box. This is turning out to be one of my new favourite perfumes of the year. And this, the Magnifique Ultimate, also I received in the advent calendar, and I had expected it to be the same size, but no, this is a full-sized bottle. I'm absolutely thrilled. This stuff costs an absolute arm and a leg. So to get it here in this box with the whole lot for £90 is absolutely fantastic. And like I say, I'm halfway through the kind of smaller trial size bottle that I got in the advent. So I'm really happy to have some more stock of that one because I'm really enjoying using this serum. Let's take a look at the other layer. So here's the second layer of the beauty box, and again, the sizes of the products are just blowing my mind. We've got here an eye makeup remover in what looks to me to be a full size. It's certainly rather large. We have got a Juicy Tubes with a very, very classic and cult favourite Juicy Tube, so we'll give that a go in a moment. We also have, this is a larger one, so the Magnifique You. So I got a smaller container of this in the advent calendar, and honestly I've nearly used it all up, so again I'm delighted to have a backfill of this one, and the Re-Energy Multi-Lift Nuit. I've got other night creams that I'm using, so I'm not all the way through that one yet, but again it's a really, really lovely product, so I'm super excited to see I've got a refill of that one. And then here is the Comfort Tonic, the toner. So again, this is in a smaller size. I think this is the same size that I got in the advent calendar. But all in all, I think the sizes in the beauty box are absolutely mind-blowing. There are some larger sizes here, certainly of this one here, the Genifique range, than we had in the advent calendar, and they're the ones that kind of jumped out at me and that I've been using. So I'm thrilled to see the full sizes here in this set. Absolutely fantastic. And the wonderful thing is, the only reason I went ahead and bought the beauty box was for the eyeshadow palette. I thought, oh, I've already got the advent calendar. I don't necessarily want duplicates of the skincare. Totally wrong. I'm absolutely absolutely thrilled to have duplicates of the skincare because I've used up such a lot of it already. But the cost of the palette alone meant that it just didn't seem to make any sense to me to buy the eye palette alone and not buy the whole beauty box. So I went ahead and bought the whole beauty box, and now I have the eye palette to take a look at. So this is the Idol Cafe Crush eye palette, and I'm going to do my eyes with this just in just a second. I've done my makeup today kind of partially, but I've left the eyes and the lips undone because I want to use the eyes and the lips from this set. But before we just jump into the eye makeup, let's just take a look at the Vanity case that it all came in. This is absolutely lovely, really large, kind of classic Vanity case size in this metallic pink covering. Really lovely, nice Lancome label inside there, and kind of metal effect Lancome badging on the outside. So all in all, I'm kind of blown away by the value of this box. And honestly, if you thought the Estee Lauder Blockbuster was good, I wonder whether this isn't actually better. But now for the eye palette. Let me finish up my makeup using the eye palette, the mascara and the lip that came in the box. So I've just set the groundwork for my eye look with these two browns from the bottom row of the palette. And what we've got here in the palette is mostly a bottom row of matte shades. The top shades are all shimmers, and this one here is a shimmer as well. And so I want to kind of make the most of the palette today. So I'm going to look to use maybe the purple, maybe the brown, and maybe some of one of these pinks as well across the lid. So there we are with our eyeshadow done. I have used these two browns for the base, and then this pink, brown and purple shimmer across the eyelid, and the tiniest bit of this shimmery beige for the inner corner. I am going to finish up my eyes now with an eyeliner before I go in with the Lancome mascara to finish that up, and then we'll take a look at the lips. So there is our eye look, completed with the Idol Cafe Crush and the 2 Lancome mascaras. Let's take a quick look at the Juicy Tubes before we look at the lipstick that came in the box. I'm just going to swatch this on my hand because I don't want to mess up my lips before I go in with the full lipstick. It does look like it is just a sheer colour. It looks like it is more of a gloss or a balm rather than a lip colour. And in fact the shade is Spring Fling and it's described as a hydrating lip gloss. So here is the lipstick that comes in the box. This is in the shade 274 French Tea, and rather fortunately I have just bought a different lip product in the same shade French Tea, not knowing that that was what was in here. So clearly this shade kind of jumped out at me as something I'm interested in, and yeah, that looks really, really lovely. Let's swatch it and have a look. There is our shade French Tea. Gosh, that looks really, really lovely. Bear with me 1 second while I line my lips and then we will go in with the French Tea lip. I do have here a lip shaper in the shade The Tea is Hot, so that seems like a good choice to match up with our lipstick called French Tea. So just a quick line before we go in with the lipstick that came in the box. And I think that is a really lovely shade. So there we have it, our finished look from this year's Lancome Beauty Box. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments what you think of this box. I think this box is absolute incredible value. I am so pleased I bought it. It is out of stock on the Lancome website, but there are plenty of other stockists where you can still get hold of it. So do not delay. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this Lancome video, then you might want to take a look at one of my other Lancome videos right here. And don't forget, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.